Hi guys, Frank here from Build Your Own. Today we're actually going to go over to this muffler shop and we're going to put a FlowMaster Series 40 exhaust or muffler on this truck. We can see under here, there's the stock muffler right there. I had actually run over there because the Beetle here, which I did a video on the other week about the check engine light. The check engine light's still on. The Beetle needs a catalytic converter, so I wanted to run over to this muffler shop and find out about the catalytic converter. I need to bring this back so they can get up under it and see. There's two different styles of catalytic converters, of course. But I asked him about the truck, and they can do it for a sporty price. He said it'd only take them 20 minutes, and they can do it right now. So we're going to head over there. All right, guys, we're here at the muffler shop, and I'm going to go in there, let them know that I'm here, give them the keys, and then we'll get this muffler installed. We're going to still keep it as a 2.5-inch exhaust. It's just a V6. Going up to a 3-inch exhaust isn't going to give me any performance, and I'm not really necessarily looking for horsepower gains or anything. I just want a nice little sound, and so I'm going to keep it as a 2.5-inch exhaust. That way it keeps its back pressure and all that, and yeah. All right, guys, so the guy who's actually working on the truck, who's underneath the truck, I was like, whose Raptor is that? I first asked him, I said, well, when you had the truck up in the air, can I take a look under it and turn the camera on? He's like, yeah. And I was like, well, whose Raptor is that? It's awesome. He's like, that's mine. And you know what? It's awesome. It says Bully Dog, it's SVT, got the 6.2 liter. I'm pretty sure I did a build and price review of the Raptor. Look at the suspension, look at the Fox suspension. It's got these beautiful wheels. It is a gorgeous truck. What's not to like about this truck? I love the offset of the wheels. I love how they stick out like that. Isn't that cool? I mean, that's hot. That is just totally hot. That's a good looking truck. You know what I love? I love that everywhere I go, there's always a good looking car or a good looking truck somewhere. Finally get a little look up under this truck here. It actually looks nice. It's good looking under this truck. All right, so we'll get that muffler put in, and shouldn't take long. It's gonna sound really good. There goes the old muffler, or not so old. Looks in pretty good shape, actually. There's nothing wrong with that muffler. I wonder if that rear diff is leaking. I don't know, but it looks pretty good under there. There's a drive shaft. There's a fuel tank back here. I wish I could do that suspension lift, I tell you that much right now. Alright, so there he is unboxing that FlowMaster. I can see it over there. He's unboxing it. There it is coming out of the box. It's a black muffler. Alright, we'll let him do his thing. There he is. He's got it set in there. He's still got to, you know, of course, attach it and everything, but there it is. It's up there. And it doesn't take long when you got the right tools, does it? I just now noticed this Krager wheel. I'm pretty sure in one of these videos I did on my truck, some guy told me I should just get some of these Krager wheels for my truck. I just happened to see this thing laying around. Getting it welded in place. Nice. No, I'm not dumpster diving. I'm still waiting for my truck, and I see this Hedman headers box in the cardboard recycling. And yeah, these guys install headers over here. So when and if I do put headers on my truck, if I actually find a set that I want, these guys will be the ones to come to. I can obviously see here that they install headers, performance headers. Looks like she's all done. Spent a little time welding, and now we're gonna wrap it up. I think it sounds a little bit better. Like I said, I wasn't trying to make it be a performance exhaust system. I just wanted it to have a little bit of grumble. And now we got a new sticker to add to the back window, right? Well, they got a few different sizes, but I'm gonna have to put that big one up there, I think. So yeah, let's get on back though, and we'll put this sticker on and find out a little bit more about this Series 40 exhaust from FlowMaster. All right, that sounds pretty good, doesn't it? It definitely sounds like a V8 now. The Series 40 muffler, we can kind of see it hanging down under there. The Series 40 muffler is what made the Fox Body Mustang, that famous FlowMaster sound on the Fox Body Mustang. That's a Series 40 muffler. Same muffler that we have on the truck right now. Okay, so this isn't even a cold start. Let me just reach in the truck here and start it up. You'll be able to hear it, no problem. Let's see. It's got quite the sound. So yeah, like I said, this is the original 40 series muffler from FlowMaster. It has the most aggressive sound. It definitely has an aggressive exterior and interior sound. I can tell you that just in the few minutes I've been with the truck since we put the muffler on here. So if you're looking for that original FlowMaster sound, this is the Series 40 is definitely the muffler for you. It's got 16 gauge aluminum steel. It's fully MIG welded. It's got maximum durability. There's no internal packing or anything like that. So yeah, pretty happy with this so far. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap this FlowMaster video up. The next video we do on the truck, I think we're gonna probably install a stereo. I ordered a stereo from Crutchfield just yesterday, and that should be here soon. And when it's not raining, we'll install it. On that note, I'll go ahead and wrap this video up. If you found this this video helpful, informative, or just entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of videos on this truck. I'll go ahead and put the link to the playlist in the description below. Make sure you check out some or all of my videos.